Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use estate planning tools on Fidelity. So if you've been wondering how to use estate planning tools on Fidelity, then this video is going to answer your questions. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm not going to waste any time at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log into your Fidelity account on the mobile app, or you can choose to do that on the online website. Now, once you're logged into your account, just go and click on planning, and then you're going to click estate planning. Now there you can browse the estate planning tools that are available. You have wills, trusts, and whatnot, and then just use the tool to create an estate plan. Now you could also manage your estate planning documents. You could also update your estate planning documents anytime in the future that you want to do that. You can do that right here, and you can use the estate planning tools to basically stay organized. So Fidelity helps you to take care of all of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's estate planning tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.